Malone fragrances, welcome back to ACIERO in Amsterdam, and today I'm back again with another unboxing on Malone fragrances. I'm going to unbox this package, and believe me, I'm also puzzled why I went again and bought a Malone, Malone products. It's a very big box, and you're going to really be amazed. Most of Jo Malone fragrances smell really nice, and Jo Malone has its fragrances also integrated in other products such as candles, perfumes, vaporizers, and all things that you can think. Even scented paper. One time I bought scented paper from Jo Malone, so it has lots of products with the scents they make, and they really smell amazing. So if you want to spoil yourself or want to make yourself happy for some reason, or you want to give a friend a present, this is one of the things you should consider giving, because now these fragrances are nice and their packaging is really great. And on top of that, what we also see with Jo Malone, it's a classic packaging, so it speaks to a certain kind of person. If you're someone who is all over the place with colors and stuff like that, I don't think it will go for you. But it's really packaged well, and all the things are like you're opening up a present. Everything will really smell good, I think, but it's up to you. What I got is this. I got it in this box. It's an Amsterdam box designed for the 150 years of our warehouse here in Amsterdam. So it looks marvelous. Yeah, so excited. So what did I get? The Intense. Body cream. And the candle. I love this. Ah. And we have some matches and some instructions on how to use the candle, and a personal invitation, yeah, to try out, I think, some products. Yeah, and yeah, the box is now empty. That was our unboxing. I hope you love Jo Malone fragrances, and I hope you can also spoil yourself and buy yourself one in the future or in the near future, whatever. And to me, that's what I got myself, and I'm hoping to use it wisely and carefully. But I think I have lots of fragrances from Jo Malone in the previous years. I used to buy these fragrances, and this was bought as a present. So I'm really happy to receive it, and I will use it. And keep watching this channel, and don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment below. And see you soon, and keep watching more videos. Bye bye.